Okay, just a quick one. January has ended and the free signal period has also ended. If you need, you can subscribe for the paid signal. So let's check the history. Although I was not so consistent, I was busy with a lot of things, and I'm still busy with a lot of. That's one thing with me and trading. I don't trade all the time. I think I took it serious for about 2 weeks, and then I was busy with a lot of things. Sometimes when I get online, my signals have passed. I missed almost a lot of signals, but we still had some a lot of uh, trading, successful trading. So we go to January 1st through to 31st. Okay, there it is. Now this is the profit we made. Anybody with $100 made this profit. $100 or above. Then those with $50 made half of it. Those with $50 and followed up with the signals made about half of it, maybe missed one or two. So they must have made like $20. So we had a little hinge somewhere there. All of these reds you are seeing here happened in the same day. And while they were closing with negative, others also closed with positive. I don't have this app that enables me draw on the screen. I would have shown you, but you can cross check it later with dates and all that. So I closed manually that day and I made a loss of $1 at the end after all the positions. I made a loss of $1. Then the second one was $2. So that was $3, $3. Then after that, there was no other. It happens anyway. It's a normal thing that happens to trading. Sometimes we have a strong fight with the market, but in the end, we just win no matter what. We just win. So it's not, you don't have to be afraid of losing your money. It's not an option. If you're afraid, like some people took a loss when they saw it running negative, they started cutting their trade. If you are looking for that kind of signal that you will always, once you enter, you make your profit and go now. Most the rest happened that way, except those two. The rest were so accurate, but that's not always something you get. People are not always stable in their in their thoughts. So we have a lot going on in our heads. Sometimes we make that mistake and then boom. So what you need as a trader is that skill to recover when such happens. If you don't have the skill, you go away from trading. You are still learning. You can never get a strategy that will always give you profit 247 no matter what you do. Whether your mind is stable or not, you still make profit. No, it's not that way. You will need that skill to help you do some math, calculate properly, and get back to the market if you made a wrong analysis. So it's a requirement. You need it, and I teach it. So that's it. Let me show you though. The Telegram group we had we had look at that. I posted all the signals, all the trades. Look at that. Sell this, and when we made a profit, I said it's blue. That's our motto for the year, our slang of the year. So whenever the profit comes, I show them. Even that one that let me show you the one that made that loss here. Can you see that I posted it in the group, $1.4. Look at that. After all these losses, one trade was made for the recovery the same moment while others were losing. This one recovered. You can see the loss is not that magnificent as it was supposed to be if it was closed out of anger. The second one, look at that, $2. One trade, I mean two trades to recover the rest. You need that skill. So apart from that, there's no other challenge. There was no other challenge. There was no other challenge. Look at that. One day, boom, we'll pick up the profit. You see that. So as at is it 10th or 15th or 17th, we were at 1,600 at 400 pips, right? Let me see, because we were calculating it together. Okay, as at 6th January, we made about 2,000, 1,200 pips, and then it continued. After that, more were made. This one is from another, when you move the money to indices account, but then this about 200 extra, making it 1,004. That one is not counted. 1,400 pips. So at least we made 1,400 pips, right? Okay, look at another day. You can tell me. But this is one signal actually that I just had to use to make more money to cover those premeditated loss. Okay, this is two signals, New Zealand that age. So that's about $2, about 400 to 1,4 is 1,800. So okay, okay, I didn't calculate the other one, so this one made it 1,004. I didn't add the other one in this calculation. Okay, here's another one, another 200. So that's roughly 1,800, or just call it 2,000. Okay, let's call it 1,800. So that's it. That's it. The promo was not terrible. It was just a free signal for everybody to tell people that this thing is real. But if you like, you can doubt it anyway. Keep doubting. That's your business.